So from my previous video, I showed you some of the problems for why your car not to start, and here are more. Fuel system issues. Empty gas tank. It sounds obvious, but it's a very common cause of breakdowns. Clogged fuel filter prevents fuel from reaching the engine, causing sputtering and stalling. Failed fuel pump. If the pump dies, no fuel gets to the engine, and the car won't start or will stall. Running out of fuel. Diesel. In cold weather, diesel can gel and clog the fuel system. Contaminated fuel. Putting the wrong type of fuel, e.g., diesel in a gasoline car, or getting water in the tank. Engine. If it breaks, these systems fail quickly. Low oil pressure caused by leaks, a failed oil pump, or very low oil level, leading to extreme engine wear or seizure. Tire. Transmission.